Please subscribe, like, and share.
Can boast of many graduates, holders of masters and doctoral degrees, some of whom are directly sponsored by the VRA to various universities and whose fields of studies fit within the operation of the VRA, but are often not considered for possible employment even when they table application for consideration. This situation continued to compel young men to move out of the community in search of non-existing job opportunities in the cities. It will be our greatest joy if our young men will be considered with some offers when opportunities come up to enable them stay within the community and work to earn a livelihood after they had spent years acquiring training in school. This, when done, can make them the key contributors to the development in the community. There were a lot of houses that were supposed to be built for the citizens of Fodzoku, but no avail. We petitioned the government through VRA severally, but no response. We are still expecting these houses to be built for us. When this continues to fail, we will then unfold our plan B. The road network in the community are in very bad shape, thus posing danger to commuters who use them. The community, through its own resources, has been able to undertake some major repair works on these roads to make them friendlier to users. However, these major roads still need some major attention to ease the difficulties and dangers it poses to members of the community.
Community development HSA scheme school a yebeboa nkwala no benya scholarship a omosam wechi beba beboa ekrono na won se be mo so gina mechi ana medi ye mfa so HSA we ye nkwala omo free krom ha eno mo enyi omo hwa ye do mo akọ university ye ne mko yes answer ye benya free SHS no ye started from secondary school ye wi ana do ko university enti san kwala na me bo mo di gentleman on be gina mechi no ebi mu no mu ni ha obi kra ye PhD omunya ye kwala ya support omo a ene omo fi Fodzoku community because we believe that when there's education say nkwala ne hia de na omanfo no kom enima ye eba ko enti sa na ye via ye bo omo aso omo nsa omo library project omo se community omo di ye community center eno so ya support omo ama omo aye enti nema na wa boss ene no wote ya meka che ne say message now there but you dey come back to your chief executive because yes we support sanitation, we support the I think you mentioned aside from some sanitation also mentioned water. Yes, these are areas that as part of our community development project yes support in 2011 we started scholarship and your resettlement Fodzoku every year you're making sure say your mom will be every year you're making sure but then there's a criteria esa kwala no oko school na ni basic school ewo ekrono because say cassette development want to make first scholarship ma obi a owo kro fufor so say ombra mbeboa ekrono na enko ne nim into all your communities no your man kwala scholarship ewo sa community no mu a wako basic school up to JHS say na ebe ya won say eno chese ebi na ne busuafo wa ha ebi a ne na wa ha nti ke won say we mo enyi ebi mu wa bonten but ye bibisa omo befie nti omo befie a na omo so mo ayede de on benya no na omo dia aboa ekrono nti sa na ye criteria ye de ye every
Please subscribe, like and share.